What is going on, guys? It's humid today. I feel like I'm in Florida again. If you guys were wondering what is inside of this box right here, we're gonna have to wait a minute because I'll get to that. I hope you guys are having a good day today. I've been super excited for this box right here. This is the one thing I've been waiting for such a long time now, and I feel like it's been forever since like I ordered this. It's a bit of a spicy boy out here today, and that's why the camera's all fogging up and stuff. But in this box right here is something from my newest sponsors, and I really appreciate them hooking me up. This is one thing that I never really considered getting because I thought it was kind of a weird thing to get, but at the same time, I think this is gonna make a world of difference in actually driving the car. Now, this came all the way from Chernobyl, Russia, and I didn't know I was ordering it from Russia when talking to the guy, because the guy actually spoke pretty decent English, and I did not know people lived in Chernobyl after I got it. So I got the package, and I looked at the mailing address and it said Chernobyl. I was like, okay, that's an interesting one. Now I'm gonna put their Instagram tag of where you guys can get your own. Now, in this box is a custom shift knob that I designed myself, and he, you know, made it for me. But the tag is 0_custom_shift_knob. You guys from Russia, hit him up, give him some love. Definitely follow his page and definitely get a shift knob. So we're gonna unbox this real quick to see what the actual product looks like. Here we got some stickers, you know, always gotta represent. Got a guy that looks like a how-to with his little tag on it. Some adjusteronis and the shift knob itself. Hey, he made it safe. And all we got is a little black thing with my name engraved there, and this thing is all solid metal and it's really good quality. So for people that don't know how to actually remove the shift knob, I will show you guys how to do that now. In this car, it's really easy. All you gotta do is grab it and twist it off. And this just comes right off. This, just, you know, put this little nut on to stop it, and then you put the little thing on there. It makes it so it's more adjustable. And this is a very deep design, because if you ever use an aftermarket one, sometimes they don't have the deepness in there, and it actually doesn't cover up any of the reverse lockout. After a little bit of adjustment, you know, we got it on. Now it just, you know, it's plain black. It's a shape that I picked out with my little tag on there because, you know, it's simple, it looks good. So far it feels good in the hand. Kind of want to go bang some gears right now and see how it actually feels. I'm pretty sure it is heavier than the stock shift knob because this thing is made out of metal. But this thing's powder coated black, engraved, and I think it looks really good in here. Looks really clean, really simple. This shift knob definitely feels really good in your hand, and it's definitely heavier than the stock boy. Like this, it's not very heavy. Actually, it's a lot heavier than I thought it was, but it feels a lot better in your hand. I think changing out a shift knob honestly changes the driving experience a lot. It just gives the whole car a different feel, and I'm really liking how this feels, and I like how it looks. The shape just feels really good in your hand. And honestly, I think it looks really good because I was gonna go with a red one, but I don't want to have too much red going on the car because I have some things and ideas going, and I don't want too much red in here. So I think this is gonna be a good balance for what I'm going for. This video is gonna be mad short, but this is one thing I've been waiting for, and this is really gonna be opening up a chapter for what I'm really excited for. This is the first high-end part that I've gotten for the car so far, like recently, and this part it's symbolism to me of we're going places. I have more parts on the way. I have 6 parts on the way. They're not high-end parts per se, but it's gonna make for really good content. I think you guys are really gonna like it. And then maybe another paycheck, I'm ordering another really high-end part, and I think it's gonna change the look of the car completely, and I'm really excited for it. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here, so comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Check out the Shift Knob Company. I'm gonna put it back here again, link in the bio. They go through Instagram, so make sure you guys check them out. Give them a like, give them some love, order a shift knob. So comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.